How to watch TikTok in full screen. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and then go ahead and scroll through and navigate to the video that you want to watch in full screen. If the video is in landscape mode, then you will automatically see the option for full screen, and if not, then simply scroll through to a portrait video and tap hold on it and you will see the option for clear display. Tap on the clear display option and with this the video will appear in clear display. So this was about how you can watch TikTok in full screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.